India has debunked various lies spread by Pakistan on destruction of air forces, stations and military bases in India. Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri, Wing Commander Vyomika Singh and Colonel Sophia Qureshi briefed the nation about ongoing conflict between India and Pakistan today. The two women officers said Pakistan has attempted to execute a continued malicious and misinformation campaign with claims of destruction of the Indian S-400 system at Adampur, destruction of airfields at Surat and Sirsa. India unequivocally rejects these false claims being spread by Pakistan, while informing that Pakistan military has been observed to be moving its troops into forward areas, indicating an offensive intent to further escalate the situation. Wing Commander Vyomika Singh asserted that Indian armed forces remained in a high state of operational readiness. All hostile actions have been effectively countered and responded appropriately by the Indian Armed Forces. Indian Armed Forces reiterated their commitment to non-escalation, provided the Pakistan side reciprocates. She further mentioned that Pakistan has attempted multiple air intrusions using drones and conducted shelling using heavy caliber guns, targeting civilian infrastructure and killing some civilian along line of control. Heavy exchange of artillery, mortars and small arms fire continues in Kupwara, Baramulla, Poonch, Rajouri and Akhnur sectors. Note only that Pakistan attempted airspace infiltration from Srinagar to Nalia in more than 26 locations by using drones, long-range weapons, loitering munitions and fighter aircrafts to target civilian areas and military infrastructure along the Western Front.
Pakistan employed UCAV, drones, long-range weapons, loitering munitions and fighter aircrafts to target civilian areas and military infrastructure. Pakistan military also resorted to air intrusions using drones and firing of heavy caliber weapons along the line of control. Along the international border and the line of controls, air intrusion and several harassment attacks were also attempted from Srinagar till Nalia at more than 26 locations. Indian Armed Forces successfully neutralized these threats and majority of the vectors. However, limited damage was sustained to equipment and personnel at Indian Air Force stations at Udhampur, Pathankot, Adampur and Bhuj. Deplorable cowardly act targeting of civilian infrastructure also had taken place, where Pakistan attacked the Medicare center and school premises at the air bases of Srinagar, Avantipur and Udhampur, yet again displaying irresponsible targeting of our civilian infrastructure. Indian Armed Forces carried out precision attacks only on identified military targets. These included technical infrastructure, command and control centers, radar sites and weapon storage areas. Pakistan has also attempted to execute a continued malicious misinformation campaign with claims of destruction of Indian S-400 system at Adampur, destruction of airfields at Suratgarh and Sirsa, BrahMos base at Nagrota, RT gun positions at Derangyari and Chandigarh forward ammunition depot, with heavy damages to other military stations being propagated on social media. India unequivocally rejects these false narratives being spread by Pakistan. Along the line of control also, Pakistan has attempted multiple air intrusions using drones and conducted shelling using heavy caliber RT guns, targeting civilian infrastructure and killing some civilians. Heavy exchange of artillery mortars and small arm fire in Kupwara, Baramulla, Poonch, Rajouri and Akhnur sectors continued.